We just made it to the shop.
Because the iPhone cap, you know what I mean? No, it's the same as the DOWNPIPE.
Damn! What the fuck? The new lights actually look mad good. Oh yeah, this shit slides. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all are having a good day. We're here with my boy Bimps. We're posted up in the valley because we got an active video for y'all today. Like I mentioned, we're about to actually install those brand new lights on the 300. That's why we're here in my backyard. And then we're gonna pull up on my boy Aaron. He's got the 440i and he's got a downpipe and tune we're about to install. 300's looking clean today. We're gonna give it a wash after. It's got like bird shit all over it. But quick shout out to AUXITO for actually hooking us up with the lights that we're gonna put in here today. Actually super nice packaging. Looks like a great quality product. It should be a real quick and easy install. You can see that they're right there. So I'm gonna throw these in. I'll just show y'all real quick how we do it. I'll do a little B-roll and I'll see y'all when it's installed. Alright guys, as y'all can see right there, we're gonna quickly twist that cap off and then that'll actually reveal the little light we have. Super easy to access. There's usually a panel right here, like you could see the outline where the panel would be, but for some reason I already have it removed on this side. Not good. Alright y'all, after some tugging and pulling, finally got this piece out. That's clipped right into the little bulb. Alright y'all, as you can see, we got them in. I just turned the car on real quick to check if they work, and they do work. So I'm gonna just plug these in. You basically just put it back in there and twist the opposite direction that you took it out from, and then repeat all the processes. I'll do it on the other side, and then I'll see y'all back tonight. All right, y'all, we just threw in the bulb on the other side. Quick little note I wanted to add, that little second brace, you actually don't have to remove it, and it made it a lot easier for me to reinstall this light on the other side. So keep that part on if you're using the AUXITO lights. You don't need to remove the retainer. All right, y'all, we finished installing the lights. My hands are absolutely dirty. It actually wasn't too hard to install it though. It took me about, I don't know, 35 minutes, and this is my first time working on something like this. I do not work on my car. But like I said earlier, huge shout out to AUXITO for providing me with these lights and sponsoring this video. If you're in the need of lights like this, they do every vehicle from like all ranges. Just use my code below, grab that link, and then type code 63 in your checkout. You'll get about 15% off. But anyways, like I said earlier, Aaron's gonna be getting downpipes on his 440i, so that's where we're about to go ahead. I'm gonna just wash the V real quick, and then we're gonna teleport right over there. We just made it to the shop. Check it out. Just the 440 is getting worked on. My boy Aaron's whip. Oh yeah.
I got most of the like drinks for everyone, like for non-alcoholics, and we bought a couple packs. Some fun stuff.
This thing's kind of, bro, it's got some weight to it. Like, look.
Dude, that thing is
That's a downpipe.
Damn.
Ugh. Skinny ass arms.
Bro,
This is what's gonna go in it. It's still got cats, right? It's still cats?
it's not that.
Yeah, it's a cap. So you can see that filter in the middle.
Yeah.
That's what the cap is.
So it's still got cats, but it's gonna sound way better. It's gonna flow a lot better. What's going down, Aaron?
One more hour.
Oh shit.
Downpipe tune.
Downpipe going in.
Downpipe tune.
You're making 800 horsepower? 800 wheel?
1,000.
Oh shit. Yeah. What we building? What we building? Who knows? What we building?
We're building the stage 2 tune for the limp mode.
Oh, he's bro. He's
FDR on the GT.
talking shit.
What you mean?
Yeah.
Sort of.
Brand professional.
You getting them angles?
Like I am. Okay, yeah.
Oh shit. It's almost out. Thing's stubborn, huh? I got down there and I got
like this much out though. Remember, it's so fire.
yeah. So it's actually smaller a little bit.
It's a yeah,
Dude,
in size, but it gets more flow.
Huge. Damn.
Diameter is the same though.
But then definitely that's that regular waffle style. Yours is like circular, right?
Yeah, look inside there.
Yeah, it's a circular.
Downpipe out? Oh yeah.
That's a really good cat. Look how clean that is.
Really?
It's pretty good.
I thought we know that pocket super centimeter.
Boom. Let's do up the checks. Everything's tightened down. You filled the oil. Yep. You trust him filling the oil?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go. Let's go. Caps.
Everybody's ready.
I'm just posted, bro. Bro, we got this fucking
I'm
much
leaning on your
blocking the shit. Oh, this is an event.
It's
Rally event.
Whoa, that is mad loud. Oh my. Oh yeah, that shit is loud.
Dude, now you're really getting state rap.
Yo,
Dude, you gotta get a tonic.
that was crazy.
You need to get one, like immediately. Like,
That was mad loud. That was ridiculous. That was ridiculous. Oh, it's super loud. Oh, there it goes.
that shit sounds good.
Sounds good now. Damn.
Oh my God.
Checking the inners. This thing sounded mean. Oh yeah, downpipes are crazy.
That was insane. The idle sounds good.
Good as fuck.
The Beamer Squad. Beamer Squad.
Squad?
Oh, yo, Beamer Squad.
Beamer Squad?
Big intake.
Big guy.
And you got the red guts. This thing sounded crazy with the downpipes, like super crazy. The new lights actually look mad good.
Aura. That was aura.
He closed it.
He closed. All good?
We're hopping in the 440.
Feels a little slippery, man.
He says it feels a little slippery. It's got some power. Oh shit.
Yeah, I mean, it could use some better tires, but their tires are still good.
Oh yeah.
Where should we go, left or right? Left, huh?
Maybe.
Come back around.
Yeah, because there's nowhere to turn down there. Oh yeah, shit slides. I definitely feel the difference with the tune and shit. Ooh, it sounds good.
Sounds good.
That shit sounds mad good. Ooh, bro, the echo off the wall. Ooh. Dude, this shit sounds mad good now. I mean, it sounded good before, but this sounds like, yeah, this sounds pretty cool. Damn, and it's smooth as fuck.
Oh yeah.
Feels super smooth. This shit sounds mad good, bro. We got some. What is that? Damn. I think that was 720.
Shit pulls dude with the tune.
Yeah, that shit definitely pulls.
little pops and the upshift burble. This shit is cool. Dude, this kind of sounds like, Loki sounds better than a F80. I never been in a modern one. Damn, that shit pulls.
You got 2 phones?
Yes, sir. I got the double setup. I got 2 phones. Brakes are good too.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, yeah. Beamer's definitely get a move on, bro. I like this. You could definitely get like a Canyon mob on with this, bro. Like, my car is so bouncy. Like, this shit is just locked in. Ooh, spinning the rears. You can actually hear that shit spinning.
That's why I know this shit sucks.
Yeah. I mean, it's spinning, but it's not like
Bro,
really
sounds-
getting any
sounds
angle.
So good. Holy shit.
Dude, it sounds so good with the downpipes. So good.
There's no way to turn back around here.
It's all like tiny little driveways. Dude, it sounds nuts, bro.
It's so like raspy.
God, I love this road. These tight ass corners.
Yeah, turn back around here.
Woo! This shit sounds insane, bro. Bro, I see why everyone gets the B58. Bro, downpipe, and you said you had a res delete that was already in?
Yeah.
This shit just sounds mean.
It sounds so good.
This shit definitely moves, bro. I'm liking the M squad, bro. C300, man, you gotta keep up. Dude, that shit moves.
I bet, dude. Fuck. What tune are you on? Like aggressiveness, like
Stage 2.
stage 2,
Yeah,
like
91.
Bro, I feel like the power delivery is mad smooth.
There's nothing. Yeah, that's fine. I could turn it on and make it.
Nah, that shit was just enough. Fuck that.
turn it on.
Nah, then it's gonna be.
No, yeah, bro, no. That's what
This thing was nice, bro. This shit grips, bro. This shit smooth. This shit moves, bro. I'm liking the M squad. Like, I'm liking the M squad, bro.
Oh, yeah, you about to switch over.
I don't know. Nah, it grips. Like, it definitely, like, if you full throttle, like, it was spinning tires, but it wasn't like, you didn't have to correct a bunch. Like, that shit was chilling.
Yeah.
I like it a lot.
Goes
It
straight.
sounded mad good. Like,
It goes sideways at all.
it sounds super good now. It sounds Beamer.
Dude, it sounds so good, especially right there. You can
Yeah.
Did you get
That
clips
shit
on
is
my phone
aggressive.
too?
Bro, I got double phone clip, everything,
Yes,
I look
sir.
to my right, I see 2 phones. I'm
Literally.
like, double recording.
bro. Locked in on that shit, bro. This thing sounds nice, bro. We definitely gotta get an upgrade for a 300. I miss mobbing like that, bro. I miss just hitting corners crazy, like. And we weren't even pushing it right there. We weren't going crazy, but
No.
I miss hitting it crazy, bro. Yo, what a vlog. As you can see, it's the next morning. I totally forgot to record an outro, because last night was just super fun, super in the moment. I wasn't even thinking of recording an outro. But before I ended off this video, I wanted to give y'all a quick little recap on the lights we installed. As you can see, the LEDs are installed. It's really hard to see right now because it's daytime, but they look so much better. I'm gonna throw up a clip on the screen right now. This is the before view. As you can see, we're driving around at nighttime, just going through the canyons. And it's like super yellowish. The lights doesn't go through far, but it's not bad for OEM. But now I'm gonna throw up a clip of after we installed it. This is from the night cruising with the boys. Again, we're through the canyon, so it's pitch black. And you can see the LEDs look a lot more blue, a lot more vibrant, and they go a lot farther. And then when you turn the high beams on, it gets even more bright because you still have the old high beams installed. I'm really happy with how these lights look. They still look OEM, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want like an aftermarket look, because I just want my car to look fully stock, fully OEM, nice and clean. So huge shout out to AUXITO for hooking me up with these. They work perfectly, exactly what I was looking for. If you're in the same market for literally any vehicle, you want upgraded LEDs, it looks still OEM-ish, just use my code below, code 63. You'll get a little percentage off. That being said, I'm gonna end the video here. I hope y'all enjoyed that. It was a little bit different, more of like just chilling with the boys, working on the cars, and then a little bit of cruising. Hope y'all enjoy that kind of style. I'll see you on the next one. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you didn't enjoy it, I won't see you again. See y'all.